everybody, how are you all doing today? Well, normally I don't really vlog so much, so sorry if I'm in bad. So today I'm gonna teach you all how to make your bicycle sound like a motorcycle. So let's go. First thing you will need is a water bottle, the kind of crushed up. You try to want to make a little hole here, like that. I want to squeeze this. Oops, my bad. Like that. See? Now let's go. Second thing you also need is this, a bicycle. So yeah. So first you see this part right over here. You want to take the front like that and chuck it in there. So yeah, and chuck it in. Take that. Good. Plus you can't reverse with this, otherwise your water bottle will fall off. Now I'm going to show you how it sounds. So let's hop on. If you want, you can squeeze the front brake so it won't fall off, kind of when you're hopping on a bike. So yep. After now, you let go the front brake and you start to cycle. See, voila. Plus, if you want to reverse, you kind of have to mash the front brake so it won't fall off. See that? See, if I don't let go, it will fall off. So guys, hope you all enjoy. Plus, if you like it so hard, you can just beat on the high gear. Mine's in the 7, so I just kind of the flat gear. So you can beat the highest and it will go a lot louder. So hope you all like, subscribe this video, and peace.